Have you ever considered the idea of expanding your horizons by working abroad? How about South Korea? This vibrant East Asian country offers a unique blend of tradition and modernity and could be the perfect destination for your next career move. Let's delve into the advantages and requirements of the South Korean work permit visa. Firstly, the job type. There's a great opportunity for those skilled in seasonal agriculture and greenhouse work. The demand for these skills is high, making it a promising career path in South Korea. Next, let's talk about the salary. You'll be earning a monthly sum of 700 USD. This is a competitive wage that'll allow you to live comfortably and enjoy the perks of living in South Korea. Moreover, you'll have the freedom to live on your own, plus you'll be provided with free meals. This not only helps you save, but also gives you a chance to sample the local cuisine. As for working hours, you'll be working 8 hours a day, 6 days a week, with opportunities for overtime. This ensures a healthy work-life balance while maximizing your earning potential. The visa duration is 1 year, providing ample time to soak in the culture, gain valuable work experience and make lifelong connections. And with 25 total vacancies, there's plenty of room for you. Now let's delve into the requirements. To start with, your passport should have a validity of at least 6 months. You'll also need an NID card with a photo. Age-wise, you should be between 20 and 45 years. The processing time is approximately 3 months. This gives you enough time to prepare for your journey, learn about the culture, and maybe even pick up a bit of the Korean language. If you meet the above qualifications and are interested in building a career in South Korea, don't hesitate. Register quickly and embark on an exciting new chapter in your life. South Korea is waiting to welcome you with open arms. Expand your horizons, gain unique work experience, and immerse yourself in a vibrant culture. It's an opportunity not to be missed.